What's going on, everyone? Mitesh here, and this right here, of course, is my Galaxy A51, and on it is the case that came with the phone. This is this clear plastic case that comes with the phone, and I'm really glad they include this plastic case, but I gotta tell you guys, this case is garbage. First of all, the one thing that I really hate about this case is the fact that it just picks up fingerprints like crazy. So I got some fingerprints on the inside, and I just cannot wipe them off. I have to take the case off every single time to wipe these things off, and it sucks and it feels terrible. And yeah, I'm not a big fan of these cases. Once again, great that they throw something in there so you guys can have something until you can buy yourself a better case, but this is not great. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of cases from Ringke for the Galaxy A51. These are the Ringke X Fusion, and they're here in 3 different colors. We've got the blue, black, and then black camo. So today I'm going to show you guys what these cases are all about and let you guys know why you should buy these over some of the other junk cases that are out there. Because first of all, Ringke is a well-known manufacturer of cases, and they make some really good premium cases. And today I'm going to show you guys a little bit about these. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so let's get this phone inside of this. I really love the color of this phone, and the nice thing is with these cases, you really don't have to cover up that color at all. So today we're gonna show you guys what it looks like. So we're gonna start off with the blue, of course, because it matches my blue phone. So putting it in is of course simple, you just put it in. So this thing is made all of this slightly harder plastic, and like I said, it looks really good in person. Okay, I'll be honest, the one thing I really don't like about clear cases is the fact that they do pick up fingerprints, but I think this one looks way better than the other one does. As you guys can see, looks way better than the other one ever did, and it's got a nice cutout for the camera. It's definitely got this raised lip, so it doesn't interfere with the camera at all. Once you put it on the table, it'll just lay flat. There's no wobble or anything like that with it, so that's always good. On the front, you have these nice bumpers that are extra padded, so that if it drops on the side, it's not going to hurt the display at all or anything like that. So that's always great. And of course, you've got all the cutouts in all the right places, so you guys can see. It's got the cutout for the USB-C, the headphone jack, the microphone, and the bottom speaker all along the bottom. For the buttons, you've got a raised power button, so you guys can always feel that out. Now, I don't love the power volume buttons. I really kind of wish that they just were a little bit more distinct. They are, because the volume up is a little bit curved, but honestly, if it's in your pocket, you're still gonna get it confused. So that part kind of sucks, especially with these other raised parts of it kind of makes it a little confusing as to where you are. The power button is very distinct thanks to that ridge feeling, but the other ones are a little bit hit or miss. You do actually have additional holes here if you want to put like a lanyard through there. If you want to, sling it on your wrist or something like that, you can do that. We've got another cutout up here for another microphone, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And like I said, you guys can feel this, you guys can see this. It's really nice case. It looks really nice. The blue and the blue, to me, they go well together, but like, I don't know, it's the fact that they're off a little bit that's why this is not my favorite one. Let's take a look at what the black one looks like. And removing this is also really easy. Of course, you just start from the corners and it'll come off really easy. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the black one looks like with it. So just pop it in. Of course, you got the exact same feature on here because it is the exact same case, just in a different color. So right here, we've got the black one on, and you guys can see that it looks really good. You guys can see the oracle through in my light. Yeah, looks good, right? So yeah, it's a really nice case. It's got a little Ringke logo down here, and everything else about it is the same. You just got to worry about how it looks, and I think it looks really good. So if you're into having a little bit of a contrast with the black and that, it looks really good. However, my favorite one is actually this one right here, the black camo. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, because this thing is great because you can still show off the color of your phone, but give it a little bit of a unique look with the camo. So you don't have to get like a D brand scanner or anything like that to get the black camo look. So you guys can see, you've got this nice pattern here where you guys can see the black camo, but you guys can still see the original phone color through there, the blue. And if you look, you still got that aura glow on there. I think it looks really good. I'm not even into camo very much, but I still think this is probably one of the best looking cases that I've seen for it. So if you wanted your phone to stand out a little bit, and the other thing that I really like about this is the camo over here. It's got this raised pattern that when you run your finger along it, it makes this noise. And it just feels really good when you're just playing around with it. Like, it feels much better than these flat ones do, to my opinion. So if I had the choice, I would definitely go for this color, but of course you guys are welcome to go with any of these that you want. These things are just $11 on Amazon, so I think it's a really good value for your money. And if you want to protect your phone, I mean, the phone is by itself $300. So if you guys want to protect your investment, you should definitely consider picking up a case. The screen, this full screen thing, you got to protect it. So I think this is a great way. One thing I forgot to mention is the fact that it's got a nice little lip all around it, so when you put it down, when you put it face down, you don't have to worry about the screen getting scratched up unless like there's some big rock that's under there. Otherwise, you're gonna be really good with these cases. So yeah, that's a quick little look at the Ringke cases for the Galaxy A51. I think these are a great purchase if you need a case for your Galaxy A51, if you're not someone who's willing to rock it naked, which you really shouldn't, but hey, I'm not here to judge. Do what you want to do. But anyways, like this one if you liked it, subscribe if you guys loved it, and I will definitely still be making more videos about this. The camera video is coming up next, so if you guys want to see that, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you guys don't miss it. But with that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!